Hey students, in previous lecture I discussed string operations and select star. Today I will discuss ordering the display of tuple that we can do by order by clause. By default it is ascending. For descending we should write DSC. Let's see one example. We want to see all the instructor name of physics department. We can write select name from instructor relation. So from instructor, where department name equals to physics, order by name. So it will show all the instructor name from physics department in ascending order. By default, order by will list in ascending. For descending, we should mention DSC. DSC for descending, ASC for ascending. And we can perform ordering of multiple attribute, like one attribute in ascending, one attribute in descending, that also possible. Suppose we want to list the entire instructor relation in descending order of their salary. There may be more than one instructor whose salary is same. If there are more than one instructor whose salary is same and we want to show the instructor name in ascending order, then we'll write first salary in descending, then instructor name in ascending. So that will show salary in descending order. If there are more than one instructor whose salary is same, then it will show their name in ascending order. Now select star, it will give all attribute from instructor, order by salary descending. It will give the output according to their salary descending. If there are more than one instructor having equal salary, then their name will be in ascending. Suppose we have name, address and salary X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. Let these are the name and let salary is 10K, let Y be 30K, then Z 50K, P 10K, 40K, let R 10K. Now in output, first it will show Z, then it will show Q, as Q is 40K, then it will show Y, Y is 30K, then there are three instructors whose salary are 10K, X, P, R. So now these three instructors, it will show in increasing, in ascending order. So it will show P, R, then X. So first it will order by salary descending. Then if there are some instructor whose salary is same, then it will show their name in ascending. So first it will do order by of this. If there is equal, then it will do order by of this. That's all about order by clause. It will show in ascending or descending. It can work for both numeric and alphabet. We can simultaneously do order by of multiple attribute. Some we can do ascending, some descending. Like here, we did one attribute on descending, one attribute on ascending. Next, I will discuss where clause predicate. Inside where we can write some conditions like between, not between. Between will give a range. Within that range, whatever data will be there, it will show that. Find the name of instructor with salary amount between 90,000 and 1 lakh. That we can write as select name from instructor where salary between 90,000 and 1 lakh. So salary should be greater than equals to 90,000 and less than equals to 1 lakh. Rather than writing less than equals to 1 lakh, greater than equals to 90,000, we can write between. Between will give a range within between. So within that whatever data will be, it will show that. So it will show all the name whose salary between 90,000 and 1 lakh. Similarly, we can also write not between. Now find the instructor name and the course they taught for all instructor in biology department who have taught some course. So we want to show all the instructor who teach in biology department. So select name, course ID from instructor teaches. It will retrieve data from two relation, instructor and teaches, where instructor ID equals to teacher's ID and department name equals to biology. Inside where we can equal more than one attribute. Here we equal each attribute, right? Instructor ID should be teacher's ID, department name should be biology. Same thing we can write where instructor ID department equals to teacher's ID biology. This instructor ID will match with teacher's ID and department name will match with biology. So here we compare multiple attribute inside where condition. We compare instructor ID with teacher's ID and we compare department name with biology. So rather than writing A1 less than equals to B1, A2 less than equals to B2, we can write A1, A2 less than equals to B1, B2. The comparison operator can be used on tuple and ordering can be lexicographically. Inside where we can write between, not between. We can also compare multiple attributes. In today's lecture I discussed order by and where predicate. In next lecture I will discuss set operations. In set operations I will discuss union, intersection and except. If today's lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.